Huzur Zafar Sahab, he's very good in cooking. He has got good taste in that. So sometimes he says in Europe, when they prepare food, sometimes they use such vinegar in which they use wine, though they process it. This question is whether we can use such vinegar or not.
Vinegar and wine can't remain together. It's not possible.
So there is one sort of vinegar.
Wine converts into vinegar.
Yes, it is called white wine vinegar.
I doubt if there is wine in it. So when you cook it, will you burn it? Don't you?
Yes.
So it all disappears. It has no quality of alcohol in it left after the burning. So you are a good cook. Huh? So sometime we'll use his services, inshallah. We know there are some good cooks sitting over there, but we have to try you, huh? Inshallah, inshallah. What is your speciality?
I mean, is it fish, meat, and sometimes Chinese. Fish, meat, and
Some Chinese food also he can cook.
What meat?
I mean, lamb, chicken.
How do you cook it?
I mean, it is Oriental style, and sometimes I mean fry, and I try also the English style.
All right, we'll try one day, inshallah.